In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF using Google Gemini in just 5 minutes. Whether you're handling lengthy reports or research papers, this method can save you a significant amount of time by providing you with concise summaries of your documents. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Gemini on your device. Make sure you have access to Google Gemini as it's essential for today's task. Once you've accessed it, we'll proceed to the chat box, which should be plainly visible on your screen. Now on to the next part. Look for the plus icon located within the chat box. This icon is an essential navigation tool for our task today as it helps you upload your documents. So go ahead and click on that plus icon. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to upload files. Click on Upload Files. This will allow you to choose the PDF you need to work with. You might have your documents stored locally on your device, or perhaps in a cloud storage service. Wherever they are, make sure they're easily accessible. Now, from your available options, select the PDF file you wish to summarize. Choosing the right document ensures you get exactly what you need out of Google Gemini, so make sure to double check that you're uploading the correct file. With the PDF uploaded, next comes the exciting part. You'll want to type in your prompt within the chat box. For instance, you might say something like, "Please summarize this document." Keep the prompt clear and concise, but feel free to tailor it to your specific needs if there's something particular you're looking for within the summary. After you've entered your prompt, simply allow Google Gemini a few moments to process your request. Typically, it doesn't take long, but the wait can depend on the document's size and complexity. Once Gemini is finished generating your summary, you should see a structured response appearing in the chat box. Finally, if there are areas in the summary that you'd like more detail on, or if additional questions arise, feel free to ask follow-up questions. Google Gemini is designed to respond to these queries, so you can delve deeper into the parts of the document that most interest you or require further clarification. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Google Gemini to summarize PDFs quickly and efficiently. It's a fantastic tool for anyone needing quick insights from voluminous documents, saving precious time and energy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If it has, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.